आतां मुन्सिपाल्टीन कायदो काडला म्हणटा कितें गार्बेज 100 किलो जाल्यार ताका तेणी स्वता विलेवाट लावची म्हणून. हांव कितें म्हणटा, जो वास्को आमकां जो अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर मेळ्ळो आसा, अर्बन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर कितें करता? एक्चुली थंयसर सडाचेर बरो ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट हाडूंक जाय आसलो, जसो सालिगांव जाला तसो. सरकार जर कांय करचें ना, ट्रिटमेंट करचें ना आनी लोकांक तुमी लायसन दिता, चिकनवाल्यांक लायसन ना, 100 लायसन दिता काडून, जाल्यार विलेवाट तेंच्यांनी आयज लावपाचें. सरकार हे मुन्सिपाल्टी टॅक्स घेना, हावस टॅक्स घेना, तेजे गार्बेज टॅक्स घेना. हाका मुन्सिपाल्टी जबाबदार सगळें. गार्बेज टॅक्स कितें आसा आनी तेजी विलेवाट लावपाचें मुन्सिपाल्टीची ड्युटी. नाजाल्यार हे CP बसले कावन्सिलर वाल्यांनी रिजायन जावन घरा बसचें. कारण तुमी मुन्सिपाल्टी सक्षम ना पयलीं. हे वास्कोचो आनी सड्यावयले तो गार्बेज इतली भरलेला दोंगर जाला म्हणटा. आनी जरी तुमी मशिनरी हाडा बसा, एक प्लांट रेडी करा इमिजिएटली.
Solid waste management rules 2016. All the local bodies are directed to ensure compliance of the directions. So according to us, we are doing our best, but there are some institutions which are creating more garbage, and we have found that they are creating 100 kg per day, and this is a issue which they have to tackle of their own. So now we have identified 25 of such institutions, and we have issued notices to them. So why they should not be listed in the category of bulk generator of the waste, and accordingly we have issued notice to them, and they have been given 20 days time to respond. If they don't respond, then we'll consider that they can be termed in the list of bulk generators, and accordingly the new rules will be implemented and applicable to them. And they are also given one copy of the undertaking and affidavit also. So in case they say that they are not generating 100 kg per day, then they have to respond to us saying that they are not and they should not be listed, and we have every power to delist these persons.